Hi, 8th grade. I'm going to go over the main assignment, which is the beginning of your actual art making process for this first project we're going to be working on virtually. Here I go. I'm going to hide my face. All right, right now I'm in the stream. You can already see you have one assignment that is due later today, and that was the survey we talked about for deciding on what you would pick to be your final work, what sort of art making you're going to use for this portrait project. It says that only 7 people have turned it in, but I know I actually have 16 responses. So if you forgot to go back and mark the assignment as done, make sure you do that because I got a lot more responses than are showing here. So again, real quickly, for that assignment, you're just selecting the option that you want to create your work with. So there's a couple of different options. You can either draw your self-portrait, you can follow some video tutorials to make a micrography self-portrait, you can use digital painting, a digital collage, a physical collage. If you have some other suggestion, that was an option. But this project is going to be self-guided since everyone has access to different things. So your next step is just going to be starting it and figuring out the first few steps that you have to take in order to make it. So if I go to the assignment, you're not going to see this live until Thursday. So this first segment is to have 25% of your portrait project done. And I'm not going to have this due until Monday since it might be kind of complicated getting started. And, maybe you start off doing the digital painting one and you end up doing the micrography one. Your decision might change as you start the project itself. So again, this isn't due until Monday. You have 5 days to complete it. So for the first part, you're going to follow the steps under the option that you selected for this project. So you're not going to go to option 1, complete the steps, and then go to option 2 and complete the steps, and then option 3, option 4, option 5. You're only going to pick the option that you decided on. So if you decided that you're going to do a drawn self-portrait, you can watch this quick video for an example, but you're going to just create a simple sketch of your self-portrait. And then you're going to post an image of that work 25% done later on further down in the document. You actually don't post your work until you are down here in section 2, so all the way at the bottom. Now, if you're not drawing your portrait, you don't have to look at that option at all. You're going to go down here to the next one. Maybe this is you. So if you selected a micrography self-portrait, you're going to first outline the shadows of your self-portrait and then outline in pencil those same outlines on a finished sheet of paper. And these videos are going to show you how exactly to do that. You don't have to complete the whole project, but it should look at least like this. So this is 25% done. Again, if you want to post more, you can, but you don't have to. If you aren't doing micrography for your finished project, then you don't have to do any of those steps. If you selected option 3, the digital painting, you are going to have a photo uploaded and outlined in a drawing program, whichever one you suggested. This video here demonstrates using Sketchbook, I believe, for this assignment. There's another one here that's demonstrated. And this is a quick screenshot of what your process should be at by this point in time. And again, a finished example of it is here. Now, if you watch these videos and it's still too confusing, maybe even after you try your own research, I recommend you switch to a different option. This one can be is probably the most complicated one. Now, if you didn't select option 3, you don't have to do anything. All right, option 4, this is the digital collage self-portrait. I recommend this one. You're going to first select something that you want to use as your background, and you're going to upload it into the Pixlr program as your first layer. Then you're going to get an image of yourself and put it in there as well. There's tutorials here for all of this. Your project, once it's 25% done, should look something like this, be at that stage. And if you selected a physical collage, you're going to start making your background following these directions. And again, there are video examples here, and 25% looks about like this. Please let me know if you have any questions, and here at the end is how you submit your work. Thanks.